Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about Microsoft 365 Copilot. Yes, about the tool that can write email, can generate presentations, analyze Excel data. It feels like this tool can do magic. But believe me, there are 5 shocking things Copilot still can't do. And trust me, these 5 things nobody talks about until today. Let's see these 5 things together now. Truth number 1. Copilot can't read your mind. True. Copilot isn't a mind reader. If you don't know what you want, it can't magically guess your intention. That's why the real power comes from asking the right questions, what we call prompt engineering. Copilot is a mirror of your clarity. If you are vague, it's vague. If you are sharp, it's brilliant. So, want Copilot to work for you? You need to get better at thinking before prompting. Truth number 2. Copilot doesn't fix broken thinking. So here's the truth. Copilot can make a bad idea sound beautiful. It doesn't know your strategy. It doesn't know your market. It only knows how to generate. That's why critical thinking still wins. Don't just let Copilot write your content. Ask yourself, does this make sense? Is this what I want to say? Is this the best idea for my goal? Copilot can amplify your thinking, but it can't replace it. Truth number 3. Copilot can't innovate alone. People say Copilot is creative, but let me tell you something shocking. Copilot doesn't invent, it remixes. It takes what already exists and gives it back to you in a new formats. So if you are expecting AI to generate a brand new business idea, product strategy, or innovation, you are misunderstanding the tool. Innovation still starts with humans, but Copilot can help you expand it, polish it, and execute it faster than ever. Truth number 4. Copilot doesn't validate anything. One of the biggest myths. Copilot is smart, so I can trust what it says. No, please don't. Copilot doesn't verify facts. It doesn't know truth from fiction. It gives you what sounds good, not what's necessarily correct. That's why human validation is more critical than ever. If you were copying and pasting from Copilot without checking, you're making yourself vulnerable. Truth number 5. Copilot won't save your job. This might be the hardest truth of all. Copilot won't protect your job. In fact, if you don't learn how to use it, it might replace you. But if you master Copilot and generative AI, really learn how to use it with strategy, judgment, creativity, and context, you will become the person everyone wants on their team. The future doesn't belong to AI, it belongs to humans who know how to work with AI.